In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new hire onboarding template in ClickUp. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. In the top right corner, click Login. Choose Sign In with Google or whichever method you normally use. Be sure to select the account that's linked to the ClickUp workspace where you manage projects or HR tasks, so everything lands in the right place. After you authenticate, you'll arrive at your ClickUp dashboard. Look toward the top right and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, choose Templates. This area contains pre-built workflows you can add in seconds, which saves you from recreating the same structure every time you bring a new teammate on board. Next, click Browse Templates. In the search bar, type New Hire, then select the New Hire Onboarding template from the results. This template is designed specifically for welcoming new team members, with ready-made stages that keep responsibilities crystal clear. Click Use Template. When prompted to name it, choose something clear and reusable, like New Hire Onboarding 2026 or Employee Onboarding Plan. Consistent naming makes it easy for everyone to find and reuse. Click Use Template again to apply it to your workspace. It may take a few moments to generate the list and sections. Once it's created, open the onboarding list by clicking New Hire, or the name you just assigned. You'll see sections such as Before Day 1, First Week, and more. Think of these as phases that structure the experience: preparing in advance, making the first day smooth, and reinforcing success in the first weeks and months. Open the Before Day 1 section and begin adding tasks. Click Add Task for each pre-start item. For every task, write a short, specific title, like Setup Email Account, Prepare Welcome Kit, or Schedule Orientation Session. Then add a due date that falls before day 1 and assign it to the correct owner. Add a description or a simple checklist when needed so assignees know the exact outcome and any resources required. Repeat this for day 1, the first week, and later milestones such as a 30-day check-in and a 90-day review. Keep tasks action-oriented, assign them to the right people, and set realistic due dates. This clarity prevents bottlenecks and ensures nothing critical is overlooked. When another new hire is coming, duplicate the new hire onboarding list or use the template again and rename the list to include the person's name. Then refresh assignees and dates. Reusing the same blueprint keeps onboarding consistent, organized, and easy for the entire team to follow.